Hi guys, Arvind back again with one more new topic. Hope you are having a great time. So today's topic is why you have to take fitness slowly. So why you should not hurry and why you should not say that okay, I want to just lose this weight in this many days. So let me explain you with a small example, and also maybe it will help you to understand and do it properly. Say for example, you traveled from one place to other place, maybe around 1000 kilometers. It took say 15 hours. It took 15 hours to reach 1000 kilometers. So this is just for assumption, okay? And while coming back from that destination to where you started, so you are targeting to reach in 6 hours. So say while going to that destination, you may went in 80 or 100 speed on your car. So you are more comfortable and you are able to talk to the person when you are in that speed, because you're not going higher speed. Even if you apply a brake, your car gets stopped, and you can talk to your friend and you can see the sceneries and you can see the cars going side by side and you can see the nature and you can enjoy the whole journey and you can actually feel the whole journey. So this is while going. And what you are targeting while coming, you are targeting to come back in 150 or 200 speed. So can you be a same when you are driving at 80 to 100, or when you are driving at 150 to 200 kilometers? Can you have a same focus? Can you have a same ease? Can your car has a same control? Just think about it. And can you talk to a friend? Can you turn your face and talk to a person sitting next to you and then still concentrate? May or may not be. And most of the times it is impossible, because the more speed you go, the more focus you need to see, and also you need more attention. The moment even a small mistake or a small glitch in your concentration, you may lead to accident. It may lead to accident. And can you enjoy the whole process? No, because your focus has to be on the road, because you're going on high speed. You don't know when there is something comes in and you have to apply a brake much ahead where you want to stop. And you cannot achieve 1000 kilometers in 6 hours. It is impossible. Maybe you can achieve it if everything goes smooth, but it's very hustle. It's very difficult to go in that pace and reach your destination. So instead, what you do, go in your own pace, enjoy the whole journey, how you went to that destination. While coming back also, concentrate on the same thing. Try to see how you can go in the slow speed. You adopt, you listen to your car, how car is talking to you, and then slowly take and move forward and go in the same speed which you can handle, and so that you can enjoy the whole process and you can enjoy the whole journey and you can spend beautiful moments with the person or anyone you're going with, and then you reach your destination. So same thing happens to the fitness as well. Just imagine today where you are. For example, take my example. So I was reached to 102 kgs. It took almost 2 to 3 years. I did not increase that weight in span of 1 month or 2 months. And when I am targeting, even I was like this. My always target is, okay, I need to lose 20 kgs in 3 months. I need to lose 15 kgs in say 2 months. Just think about when your car is going in high speed, the same thing happens to your fitness as well. Your body has to adopt each change you take. If you go beyond your body adoption level, either you fall into injuries, either you screw your metabolism, either you spoil your overall growth, overall progress. Maybe indirectly it will impact you in other health issues. So just think about the weight. So take a time, think about your body, listen to your body, and take one step at a time and slowly take it. So don't push your body beyond the limits. Beyond the limits means the adoption level. So for example, you decided a plan to follow. So take one step at a time. Take slowly. See how your body is adopting. Don't do at the day one everything. And your concentration should be adoption and enjoying the process and understand the whole journey and take one step at a time. The same way how your car, you cannot concentrate when you're going on high speed. Same thing with your body. At the end, what do you need to fix it, guys? Nutrition, your activity levels, that's it. And maybe see your water, sleep, and be consistent. That's it. And what is and also go with recommended weight loss approach. What is the recommended weight loss approach? Target only 1% to 2% of a body weight loss or the fat loss a week. For example, if you are, say, that is also 2% is not recommended if you are in a low body fat. If you are in a higher body fat, say you are 30 plus or 40 plus, yes, you can target 2%. What is the 2%? If you are 100 kg, target maybe 2 kgs a week. If your body fat percentage is 30 plus. Otherwise, how slow you go, that will help you to sustain it for a long time. And also you will not have other issues like when you do a drastic weight loss, you have a loosened skin and your metabolism go into a toss and your overall body adoption will go into a toss. So take it slowly, a step at a time, and focus on the sustainability rather than targeting your weight to this many days. Yes, you should have a target, but within the recommended level. So 1% to 2% body fat you can target a week. That's a recommended as per the INFS, whatever I studied and whatever I understood from my mentors. I'm just helping you. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So what I wanted to say is, don't concentrate on losing weight faster rate. It may work, may not work, and indirectly you will run into other issues. So always target on slow, steady, win the race. So take it slowly, enjoy the whole process, and adopt a sustainable habits and take it a day at a time, and you will reach maybe a little late, but you will feel better. Just imagine, your goal is not to lose weight and again come back to your previous weight or put on all the weight. That is not your goal. Your goal is to lose a weight and sustain it for lifetime. And how you can take fitness to a lifetime, that should be your focus. Anything you do, try to sustain it. That's it, guys. Hope you like. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you want to comment or if you want to say anything about this video, please do in the comment section, and please do share this video with your friends and family. Help me in spreading the right knowledge. Aravind signing off. I will be back with one more new video soon.